Have you ever felt like your mind just keeps cycling through the same old negative thoughts, like a loop you can't break? Maybe you're hard on yourself, or you find it difficult to let go of small things that bother you. If so, you're definitely not alone. But today, I'm excited to share something powerful that might just help. It's an ancient Buddhist practice called Loving-Kindness Meditation. Now, don't let the name fool you. This is a super practical tool that can actually help you rewire your mind for positivity. The best part? It's simple, it's calming, and it's something you can start doing right away. What is loving-kindness meditation? So let's talk about what loving-kindness meditation, or Metta, actually is. At its core, it's a practice of sending out kind, compassionate thoughts, starting with yourself and then gradually extending that warmth to others. Imagine this. Instead of focusing on what went wrong during the day or on things you're frustrated about, you're shifting your attention to positive intentions. With Metta, you silently repeat simple phrases like, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be at peace." It's like a mental reset, allowing you to replace those lingering negative thoughts with uplifting ones. And here's the science behind it. Studies show that practicing loving-kindness meditation can actually increase feelings of empathy and decrease stress levels. It's like doing a workout for your mind, but instead of building muscles, you're building positivity and compassion. This practice isn't just about making you feel good in the moment. It's about gradually reshaping your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to feel more at peace, even during challenging times. Benefits of loving-kindness meditation. First up, it helps you become kinder to yourself. How often do we criticize ourselves or feel like we're not doing enough? With Metta, you're training your mind to replace those negative thoughts with kinder ones. This can actually boost your confidence and make you less self-critical. Second, it's a game changer for relationships. When you practice sending out loving thoughts to others, you start feeling more empathy and patience toward the people in your life. It helps ease any anger or resentment you might be holding on to, making it easier to connect with others on a positive level. And finally, there's the inner peace factor. This practice works almost like a mental cleanse. It helps you let go of stress and brings a sense of calm and balance that we all need. Imagine feeling less reactive and more centered, even when life throws its curveballs. Think of loving-kindness meditation as a tiny habit that has the power to make a huge difference in how you feel, day in and day out. It's not about changing everything overnight, but about building a positive mindset that sticks. How to practice loving-kindness meditation. All right, so let's get into how to actually practice loving-kindness meditation. I'll guide you through it step by step. It's simple, and you can do it anywhere. Step 1. Find a comfortable spot. First, find a quiet, comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed. You don't need any special setup, just a chair, a cushion, or even your couch. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and let yourself relax. Step 2. Start with yourself. Now, begin with yourself. Imagine you're sending warmth and kindness inward. Silently repeat phrases like, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, may I be at peace." Try to really feel the words, as if you're wrapping yourself in compassion and care. Step 3. Extend to loved ones. Next, picture someone you love, maybe a family member, a friend, or even a pet. Repeat those same phrases for them. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, may you be at peace. It's like sending them a mental hug. Step 4. Expand to neutral people. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Think of someone neutral, like a neighbor you see but don't know well, or someone at work. Send those same good wishes to them. This helps you build kindness for people outside your close circle. Step 5. Include difficult people. If you're up for a challenge, try sending these wishes to someone you may have issues with. It might feel uncomfortable, but letting go of negative feelings can be incredibly freeing. Repeat the phrases, "May you be happy, healthy, safe, and at peace," and notice how it feels. Step 6. Embrace all beings. Finally, take a moment to extend this kindness to everyone, people you know, people you don't, even the entire world. May all beings be happy, healthy, safe, and at peace. This is about creating a feeling of warmth and positivity that you send out into the world. Tips for making this practice effective. All right, So now you know how to practice loving-kindness meditation. Let's talk about a few tips to make this even more effective. Tip 1. Start small. You don't need to set aside an hour. Even 5 minutes can make a difference. Think of it as a daily reset, a quick way to bring more positivity into your routine. Tip 2. Be patient with yourself. If you feel resistance, especially when sending kindness to people you have challenges with, that's totally normal. Just remember, this isn't about forcing positivity, it's about gently opening up to it. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Tip 3. Feel the warmth. Finally, really try to feel the warmth behind each phrase. The more you can genuinely connect with the intention, the more powerful the effect. Imagine the kindness radiating from you and filling up the space around you. That makes this practice even more impactful. Reprogramming your mind takes time, but small, consistent steps like this can lead to big changes. Loving-kindness meditation isn't just about feeling good in the moment. It's about gradually transforming the way you see yourself, the people around you, and even the world. So give it a try. Try it tonight, or whenever you're feeling a bit off, and see how it makes you feel. Sometimes, the smallest actions have the biggest impact on our mindset and well-being. If this tip helped you, or if you want to explore more ways to bring peace, positivity, and purpose into your life, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights rooted in Eastern philosophy. Thanks for watching.